Friends, just I would like to broadcast you the syllabus for JEE Mains 2025. So the syllabus for JEE Mains 2025 was released just today. That is, you can say October 29th. October 29th. So just I would like to bring forward to you the physics syllabus, especially syllabus for JEE Mains 2025 physics. You can see here quickly. So units, just I will read the units and a few points just I would like to highlight regarding some there is a deletion of the concepts. There is no deleted concepts. Everything is there except in rotational motion. If you see at the end, equilibrium of rigid body rotation, rigid body rotation and equations of rotational motion, comparison of linear and rotational motions. A rolling motion part is not mentioned. Okay, so this small change you can observe. Almost everything is there. Okay, so unit wise, unit 1 units and measurements, unit 2 kinematics. This includes motion in one dimension, motion in two dimensions, that is motion in a plane, loss of motion, then work energy power, rotational motion, properties of mechanical properties of solids and liquids together under one unit, thermodynamics, KTG, kinetic theory of gases, oscillations and waves together under one unit, electrostatics means electric charges and fields, and potential and capacitors. Here also you can specifically can find that electric field. Under electric field concept, if you see electric field due to a point charge, electric field lines, electric electric field due to a dipole, torque on a dipole in uniform electric field. Okay, till there only. So electric field due to continuous charge distribution part is not there. Okay, but here on the top, if you can see that after superposition principle, continuous charge distribution. So electric charges, conservation of charge, Coulomb's law, forces between two point charges, force between multiple charges, superposition principle, and continuous charge distribution. That concept is mentioned. Okay, but under electric field it is not mentioned. So just try to be just have a proper idea of what are the concepts we have to just go through. And Gauss law application, all the three applications are there. There is three applications means first application, finding field due to infinitely long uniformly charged wire and uniformly charged infinite plane sheet and uniformly charged thin spherical shell. That those three applications as it is. So, and potentials part. Okay. Okay, potential and capacitors part together come under electrostatics. Then current electricity. Here also current electricity. What is that? Potentiometer deleted. Potentiometer part is not there. Okay, so that you have to just keep a note of. Then magnetic effects of current and magnetism. So this includes moving charges and magnetism and matter, both the chapters under this unit. Okay, yeah. Then here also we can observe that more specifically. So moving coil galvanometer and its sensitivity, conversion of moving coil galvanometer to ammeter and voltmeter, both are there. Right, this simple specific parts just you have to have an idea. Under magnetism and matter, so just you can observe that hysteresis part is not mentioned. Okay, and then electromagnetic induction and alternating currents as one unit. Of course, here as part of EMI, electromagnetic induction, Faraday's law, induced EMF and current, Lenz's law, eddy currents, self and mutual inductance they have given. Okay, of course, under this combination of these inductors, everything should have to just include. And alternating currents, peak and RMS value of alternating current and voltage, reactance and impedance, LCR series circuit, directly they have mentioned. So here, so you have to just for understanding this, just you have to go through pure capacitive, reactive and inductive circuits, then this. Okay, and they have not mentioned specifically LRCR circuits, etc. Then of course resonance, power in AC circuits, wattless current, AC generator and transformer are there. Okay, electromagnetic waves, simply displacement current, electromagnetic waves and their characteristics, transverse nature of electromagnetic waves, and electromagnetic spectrum, magnetic spectrum, and applications of electromagnetic waves. That's it. Then optics, ray optics and wave optics. Here in reflection, reflection of light is immediately it is mentioned as spherical mirrors. So reflection by plane surfaces is not there. Okay, just have a note of this. Reflection by plane surfaces is not there. And of course, refraction of light by plane and spherical surfaces is the thin lens formula and lens maker's formula. Total internal reflection, its applications, magnification, power of a lens, combination of thin lenses in contact, and in contact only. So combination of lenses separated by distance is not there. Okay, and refraction of light through a prism, microscope, and astronomical telescope, reflecting and refracting, and their magnifying powers they have mentioned. When you say microscope, you have to just consider a simple microscope and compound microscope together. Okay, and then in wave optics, wavefront Huygens principle, loss of reflection and refraction using Huygens principle. Actually, in the COVID time, this was removed. Now it is added again. So then interference, Young's double slit experiment, and expression for fringe width, coherent sources, and sustained interference of light, refraction due to single slit, width of central maximum, polarization. Under polarization, plane polarized light, Brewster's law, uses of plane polarized light and polarites. Okay, these things are there. Okay. Right, and the dual nature of radiation method, then atoms and nuclei. So atoms and nuclei they have given so briefly. Just here also nuclear reactor part is not there. Just you have to be careful and observe all these points and go through. Then electronic devices. Here actually just in COVID time this special diodes have removed. Now they have included again. See semiconductor diode, IV semiconductor diode. They have started with semiconductors and semiconductor diodes. Then characteristics in forward and reverse bias. Diode is a rectifier. Rectifier means again half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and IV characteristics of LED, photodiode, solar cells. These special diodes again they have included. Then Zener diode. Zener diode as a voltage regulator also. Okay, and this is one of the very important concepts. Number of times questions have asked based on this also. All right. Then logic gates. Logic gates also included. So this at the 19 units. These are the 19 units of physics portion, and experimental skills comes under 20th unit. Experimental skills means just you have to go through all this. Okay, so overall 18 experiments are there. 18 experiments are there. So this is briefly about physics. Just you can have a note of these points also. Just write down clearly in a notebook, so that whenever when you are going through that particular chapter, you can go through clearly once. Right? Just herewith, I would like to stop this. Okay. I have just if you just once just a minute, just I would like to show you guys. So mathematics and chemistry syllabus also, just for a reference, along with the physics part. You see, syllabus for JEE means 2025, especially. So syllabus for JEE means paper 1 BE Tech mathematics, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. First mathematics under units wise. They have given units wise. You can go through briefly. Just I am scrolling slowly. You can go through. Under maths, total 14 units they have given, and under physics, you can see under physics total 20 units, including experimental techniques. Units are given, including experimental techniques in physics and chemistry. Physical chemistry, Unit 1, some basic concepts in chemistry. Unit 2, atomic structure. Unit 3, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Unit 4, chemical thermodynamics. First law thermodynamics, second law thermodynamics. Unit 5, solutions. Unit 6, equilibrium. Unit 7, redox reactions and electrochemistry. Unit 8, chemical kinetics. Then inorganic chemistry. Unit 9, classification of elements and periodicity in periodicity in properties. And Unit 10, P block elements. Group 13 to group 18 elements, general instructions. Then Unit 11, D and F block elements. Inner transition elements, lanthanoids, actinoids. And Unit 12, coordination compounds. Then organic chemistry starts from Unit 13, Purification and characterization of organic compounds, purification, qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis. Then unit 14, some basic principles of organic chemistry, nomenclature, trivial and UPAC, electronic displacement in a covalent bond, common types of organic reactions. And unit 15, hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, aromatic hydrocarbons. Then unit 16, organic compounds containing halogens. In 17, organic compounds containing oxygen, alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehyde and ketones, carboxylic acids. And unit 18, organic compounds containing nitrogen, amines, diazonium salts. Unit 19, biomolecules, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, nucleic acids, hormones, general introduction. Then unit 20, principles related to practical chemistry. Okay, practical chemistry. Very little bit is given just compared to physics. In practical physics or experimental physics, like 18 experiments they have mentioned in physics. So these are briefly JE means syllabus. Go through once clearly, and the dates also. I think you have copied. Just I'm not displaying now here. I'll see later. Okay. Okay, guys. Take care then. Let us meet later. Right. Are you sure you want to stop streaming?